Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our beautiful story full arch door today. Alright guys, so we're on the story full arch door today. Don't know why my brother called it a story, but I think it's because it's got so many stories to it. And also, we think this is a true classic iron door design with a lot of scroll work and a lot of blacksmithing that gets involved by doing this. So these are all solid pickets, guys, that have been heated up and banged by hand, welded together to create this design. This is a 72 by 96 inch door, which means it measures from outside the frame 72 inches and 96 inches from the top of the peak to the bottom of the threshold is 96 inches. So on your rough opening, we always ask the rough opening to be half an inch to 1 inch larger on each side. Okay. This door has a kick plate. You can also eliminate the kick plate, which is this bottom piece, if needed. On a custom order, we can make the design go all the way down if you like that. Also, this design on the kick plate is duplicated on the interior side. We do make this door in different shapes, in a single door, a double door, flat top, a regular arch, mini arch, all the different shapes that you like. This is an oil rub bronze door with rain glass. Our standard on our inventory is always oil rub bronze. You can definitely do a special order and get this door in different colors if you like, that we offer, and different kinds of glass that we offer also. Sometimes we stock different glass types also. This is a super popular door in this shape, in this style, in this variance actually. Rain glass, oil rub bronze, full arch story door. We sell a ton of these things. Boreholes. These are all standard size boreholes that we have. Standard as in it's 5.5 center to center. 2 3/4 back set, and also it's for a 2-inch thick door. So the only thing that you might have a challenge with is for a 2-inch thick door. Not a problem. Almost all lock companies have an extension kit that you can ask for, and if you order locks from us, you don't have to worry about any of those things. We'll make sure that it's correct to the door and send it out to you. Let me flip this around and show you guys what the other side looks like. All right, so we're on the interior side of this door. I forgot to show you guys the swing on the front side. So this is a right hand in swing door, which means if you're standing outside the door, the right door opens inside to the right wall. So this is a right hand in swing door. Most of our doors, I should say, have roller catches on the doors, standard. It actually makes the door lock and feel a lot better when it's shut, and it saves the lock over time. It won't destroy the lock because it's got a lot of momentum to it because it's so heavy. Over time, if you're on a windy day, it'll flap around and break the bottom lock, especially if you buy a cheap lock. So we put these roller catches to help that, and also once you have it adjusted right, it just makes it so much better and allows you to add a metal handle. So if you want to add a metal handle to these doors, you can. We do sell metal handles for these doors. That roller catch allows you to have a metal handle on the bottom, like an iron handle, and put a deadbolt on top. And we'll send you blocking plates for these so you can screw blocking plates on these. So remember, all of our doors, you can add the metal iron handles to them if you like. Another thing, our frames are all one piece with a threshold. So it's a one piece frame that you put on, you level out, and you take these doors, they're male and female hinges, grab them, put them on. It's pretty simple to install. You just got to make sure they're all leveled, and once you hang the doors, keep in mind that you're introducing about a couple 100 pounds to that threshold. You got to make sure it's leveled after you hang the doors also. Glass opening. Untwist the knobs, flick it over, glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass and clean the scroll work. On special orders, you are allowed to add a screen for additional charge, and you can use this to vent the house if you like. Some people like to do that. Weather seals, we have a weather seal on the glass. We have another one on the door itself. And bottom swipes, and the whole door is weather sealed around it also. Let me show you guys that. So we have a weather seal on the astragal between the two doors, and we have a weather seal all the way around the door also. That's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple, beautiful door, classic iron door. Here you have it. See you guys on the next door. Thank you. Hey everyone, hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on our full arch door today. If you guys have any questions, you can call us 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYS irondoors.com. Or you can leave some comments below. We'll try to get them answered as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.